Lesson 12, Session 1, page 260, page 263. Connect it. How is your way like model it? How is it different? Well, we've already explained and shown different ways that we can add and move things around. So we're just, because we did so many different views of that on the other pages, we're gonna skip through that. Okay, so number 3 says apply it. Number 3, 8 children are on the bus. 4 more get on the bus. How many children are on the bus now? 8 and 4 are our parts, right? 8 is a part and 4 is a part. So if I make a number bond, remember every time I write, you write 8 is a part and 4 is a part. But I want to think about this as a group of 10. Okay? So if I have 8, here we have 8 dots. Okay? And we add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many did we borrow from the 4 to make that group of 10? So we had 4 here, right? 8, 9, 10, right? So 8 plus 2 made 10. Am I done? No. I needed to add 2 more. 10 plus 2 more equals 12. So my whole is 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. Remember, what we're doing with 8 plus 4 is we're dividing that 4 out, right, to make 8 and 2 make 10. So that's 10 and 2 more. 10 and 2 is 12. There are 12 children on the bus. Now we're moving on to page 264. Okay, 264. We are working on making a 10 to add. Now, I think sometimes our workbook gives us too much help, and we need to start thinking about this on our own. Okay, so if it says find 9 plus 2, think about those two numbers in your head. Close your eyes and think of 9 and 2. Do you think it's going to make more than 10? Yeah. So on your whiteboard, you're going to write 9 plus 2. Underneath the 2, you're going to draw 2 dots because 9 is your greater number between 9 and 2, right? So we're going to count on from 9 up to the number 10, okay? So 9, count on 10. So what did we do? We circled one of those dots, right? So the 2 is now going to be divided into a 1, and that 2 is a 1 over here. But we've already used 9 and 1, right? 9 plus 1 equals 10. Again, plus 1 more. What is 10 plus 1? Equals 11. So over here now on our page, we're going to write 9 plus 2. Let's add 2 circles. 1, 2. So we borrowed 1 from that 2 to make a group of 10. So now we have 10 plus how many right here? 1. 10 plus 1 equals 11. 10 plus 1 equals 11. 9 plus 2 equals 11. Now we're going to write something a little different. You haven't seen this before. We are going to write 10 plus 1 is equal to or is the same as 9 plus 2. Can I do that? You bet. because what I'm learning about the equal sign is that everything on this side of the equal sign has to be the same as everything on this side of the equal sign. 10 plus 1 is 11. 9 plus 2 is 11. Does 11 equal 11? Yes. So they are equal. That means this statement is true. Let's go here. Number 5 says, is the equation true or false? Circle. 9 plus 4 equals 13. So here's 9. That is a part. Plus 4 is a part. Equals the whole. Now, just because it's written in our workbook, does it mean it's right? No. We know that this is a part. Every time I write, you're going to write, this is a part. And the whole is up here, and it says the whole is 13. It says here the part is 9 and 4. Now I could have put 4 here and 9 here too, right? All right, so 9 plus 4 equals 13. Here they have 9 dots. It says plus 4 more. So let's add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we have up here? We have a group of 10. And how many ones do we have down here? 3. 10 plus 3 equals 13. So is this correct? 13? Yes, it is correct. So we're going to say that it is a true statement. Here it says find 7 plus 4. 7 is a part and 4 is a part. A part plus a part equals the whole or the total. So let's draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7. And how many more do we have? We're going to add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So now I have one group of 10 plus, how many is this? Right, one more. 10 plus 1 is 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. And 7 plus 4, here's 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, I still have 11. Let's count backwards from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.